Right, it's finally here. It's the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange, 256 gig. I got to the Apple Store this morning at 8 a.m. Shout out to the Brent Cross Apple Store. I got there at 8 a.m. By 8:02, I was out of the store. And this is the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Just put my old iPhone to the side. This obviously Cosmic Orange, usual box from Apple, where you've just basically got the Apple logo on the front. We've got the back of the phone now because obviously that's the new thing with this version. So let's get to unboxing it. Usual Apple tear-offs. Let's tear these off here as well and flip it over. There's a fly buzzing around me. Anyway, so wow, here it is. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it's a little less bright, the color, than I expected from the images that you see on the Apple website. Obviously, every screen is different, so things are going to look different. It's a little bit more sort of coppery toned orange than I thought, but it's still very, very nice. Obviously, this is a giant phone. This is the Pro Max, so I'm used to the 16 Pro, sorry, I should say, which, let me just clear this, which obviously is a much smaller phone, but I've had real battery life problems with this, so I thought this time I'm going for the 17 Pro Max. And let's peel. And there you go, the beautiful new screen on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Inside, this is a UK variant, so we still get SIM eject tool and we get the braided standard USB-C cable in there. I will put that away because I've got about 100 of these already anyway. Inside, the rest of it is just some paperwork. Again, no more stickers. It's been a few years now since we've had stickers, so that is the box. So the thing that's immediately evident when holding the phone is the edges. If this will focus, is this going to focus? It'll focus up here. The edges are much more rounded, meaning this is a lot more comfortable to hold in the hand. It just kind of melts into your palm, whereas the 16 Pro, also obviously the Pro Max, there's a much harder ridge here where the glass meets the titanium frame. So this is definitely a more comfortable phone. Also looking on the back, you can see the bigger camera bump, or the plateau, as Apple are calling it. All of the internals of the phone are up in there, so means we should have a much bigger battery and much better battery life. I think some of the YouTube videos, some of the people on YouTube who are doing battery tests and who've got early access to the phone, unfortunately I didn't, will have shown that this is the longest lasting iPhone that there has been. And the thing that's also very nice is the integration of this ceramic glass back panel and the aluminium edges is very, very smooth, very sort of, there's no bit hard ridge or bump or anything like that there. So it's very nice and smoothly done. So that is the iPhone. Obviously, taking a look around the side, you've got your normal buttons, the side button, camera control, you've got the action button and the two volume buttons on the bottom, speakers and USB-C, and on the top, absolutely nothing. This, obviously the US version has millimeter wave at the top. This one is completely plain. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and in the Cosmic Orange. Beautiful color, looks lovely. Quite a different, quite a contrast between the ceramic shield panel and the glass and the aluminium edges and the rest of the phone. Feels very nice in the hand. It's obviously an extremely large phone, so not sure how it's going to go, going from the 16 Pro, which is a lot smaller, all the way up to the 17 Pro Max, but hopefully the battery life gains will be more than worth it. So do stay tuned to the channel. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit like. I've got the Apple Watch Ultra 3 will be delivered at some point today. What else is new that's coming today? AirPods Pro 3 will be coming later today as well, so expect videos to be dropping for those later on today. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified of those, and Hope you've had a good one, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.